Should you remove your Beware of Dog sign? Well, lots of folks post signs that say Beware of Dog or similar to warn the public to stay away, and the sign may be a good deterrent and may help keep criminals away, but can the sign also cause dog owners problems? Well, in some states, a dog owner is automatically liable for any damages or bites caused by the dog. So if you had up a Beware of Dog sign and somebody got bit on your property, you might say, hey, look, there was a sign to Beware of Dog. You didn't. You might try to argue that, although I don't know how far it's going to get you. But in other states, dog owners must have knowledge of the dog's viciousness or tendency to attack before the dog owner is going to be held liable for the dog bite injury. Now, in these states, some people argue that the Beware of Dog sign could actually increase the owner's liability, and it may be interpreted by some people as the owner acknowledging, I have a dog and you need to beware of this dog, meaning this is an aggressive dog. So that can be turned around and used against the owner saying, look, you knew that you had an aggressive dog. You posted a sign that people had to beware of the dog. Therefore, you had actual knowledge and you're going to be responsible for this bite. So it may be a better idea to post a sign that says something like dog on premises or similar to alert anyone entering the property that yes, in fact, there is a dog, but not let people know you have a dog that they should beware of. If you've got a dog bite question, you're in the state of Nevada where I practice law, feel free to give me a call or drop me an email.